Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll make the bolt and the nut according to the ISO. So we'll use here the bolt M12x45 and we're gonna use the ISO 261 and the 262 and so that's the one I'm gonna use here. So this is the bolt and the nut. Let's just here make a new section and start making our drawing. So I will first define the limits of our screen. Will be here the limits. And then it will be 0, 0, enter, 70, 70, enter. And then we'll go to the zoom all. So it is done. So that's the way we need to define. Now, according to the ISO, so this is the pitch we're gonna have, and also the dimension for the M12, we need to have the hex of 18 or 19. So here we'll use the 19. Let's now go there and then start with the sequel. So will be 19 and then enter. And then activate the polygon of 6 sides, enter, going to the inside, inscribe, and then click right there. Good. We just here activate the ortho. And then we need also to activate the second sequel of 12, which is the measure diameter, 12. Enter. Now I'll just move a little bit my mouse like that. Okay, so to move like that, you just need to activate, press the shift, press the wheel in your mouse, and then move your mouse. So it will activate the orbit. Now let's go to the extrude. You can just type in your keyboard extrude or come here and then find with extrude. So need to select this one here and this one, give enter, go down. And then you can just put it here, like let's put 7. I will change now for 8. Good. So that's the 8. It is good. And we also need a second extrude. Okay. And you can also go to the unsaved view or to the wireframe. Select now the extrude. And then come here, select this sequel on the side. Remember that we are doing the M12 times 45, so it means that the length will be 45. We'll come here and put 45, then types. So now I can go to the shaded, and then that's our initial drawing. We'll now activate the chamfer, select this one here, okay. The first one will be 1, enter, second one 2, enter, just shift, press your wheel on your mouse and then move your mouse like that, and then press the edge in this one here, the edge in this one here. Okay, now press enter and you have this one. So what I have to do now is select the solid intercept, activate, and then select this one here and that one here, and then type enter. So I have this result. So that one here is now complete. Now let's go to the next step. Next step here will be, we need to go to the draw section and then activate the helix. Click there in the helix. Now it goes to the top. Select this one here. So remember that we have the diameter of 12, meaning that the radius here will be 6, the base radius 6, the top radius as well 6, and then we need to activate the pitch. So if you go to the ISO guideline, the pitch will be for the M12 will be 1.75. So this means that for the coarse thread, which is the big thread, will be 1.75. Let's just go there again to our drawing here, right? And then we need to come here to turn height and then select 1.75 and then give enter. So, and then we need to define the length. I will here put again 45. Okay, good. So next step here will be, just move a little bit here, will be finish the top. Just go to the chamfer, select this edge here, okay. One will be 1.5, enter, 1.5, and then enter. Select the edge, the top edge, and then give enter. So I have this smooth finish. From this point, what I have to do now is I will again goes to the top. I want here right to the top, and then it goes to the front. So I am now in the front. What I have to do, I need to right click in your mouse, goes to the isolate, and then go to the hide object. Select this one and this one here, then give enter. So now you only have here right now the helix, which is good. So now we need to make here the thread shape, and you need as well to follow the orientation for the ISO. So here we have the 60° for the angle, and we also have the height. I have already done here all the calculation, and I will just here set up according to the calculation I have done. So we'll just here start making the drawing. We'll go select the line with auto mode activated, then come here, right, put here the length, what will be 0.15625, and then give enter twice. So I have this line here, a very small line. Okay, now what I have to do now is I will activate again the lines, find the center of the one here, and then goes down for our height will be 1.0825, and then give enter twice. So after that I will also activate again the line, and I will just make a perpendicular line for this one here, just until there, and then activate again the line. So before that I need to go and activate the polar tracking. So you need to set up here to the 30°, so that's the one you want. So now go to the line, and then come here, and then you need to set up to the 30°. Okay, so track in 30° angle. Now click there, repeat the command again, come here as well, click, and then goes to the 30° angle right there, and then click, and then give enter. Now what we have to do now is trim, just like the trim, and then come here, both off one, and then done. So next step will be join the line. Just come here, join, and then join the line. I'm gonna join this line here. Okay, and then enter. So now the line are together. What I have to do now is I need to move this line to here. Okay, so not that I want this shape to look inside the helix. Just come here and move, and then come here, and then select here, goes to the insert, then come here as well, and then click right here in this middle. Just move like that, okay, to have a good view. Just move there, right here, then click. Okay, now see that right now, if I go to the top view, so it is looking, you know, in this side. I want here to look inside of this. To look inside, I need to turn at least 90°. Let's just go back again on the front, and I will turn 90°. To turn that, just come here, right? And then normally it will stay in the move gizmo. You want to change to the rotate gizmo. Select this one here, select the objects, right? And you will only move on the blue one, okay? So you want only to move in the blue one. Just select the blue one, which is on this one here, okay? And then select the angle. Then will be will be 19°. Just type 90° and then enter. So if you see now, it is looking, so this side, but it is in the opposite side, right? So now it is looking inside, but I want this to be the front one to look inside. For that, I just need to turn 180°, right? So just select again, and then move to this one here, and then select 180°, and then enter. So now as you can see, it is looking inside, so that's the one you want, right? it is now looking inside. What you have to do now is just move again to stay in the right angle, right? So from this point to this point, right there. So as you can see now, it is looking inside, right? So that is the one I want, right? Looking inside of my helix. So the next step, right? I have done this step here. What I have to do now is I will activate the sweep, right? Now I'm going to activate the, and you can also check to check that it is looking inside by going to the top. If you go to the top now, you can see that it is looking inside, so it is very, very well now. Okay, now let's move on. First one here goes to the sweep, select the object, give enter, select the path, and then wait. So it will take time depending on your computer and your processor as well. So that's the way we do. As you can see, now we have done that. What you have to do is right click in your mouse, isolate, and the object isolation. So that's the way you have. So you can see we have complete, right? Now we need to subtract. So for that, just goes again to the subtract, which is here. Select the subtract, select the object you want to keep. This one here, right? And then type enter, select the one you want to subtract, and then enter. As you can see, we have complete, and the bolt is nice and smooth the way it is. So with the pitch, so here we have the pitch of 175, so that's the one. So what I have to do now is making the nut. We're gonna use the same procedure. Just goes here first, right? We're gonna type. Remember that we used 19 as diameter. We just here move again, press shift, press the wheel in your mouse, and then like that. And we're gonna as well activate the polygon with the 6 side, enter, goes to the center. Okay, you just here need to activate the ortho again, just goes to the center, inscribe, and then it goes here to this point. Good. Activate again the sickle, goes to the center, and then find the diameter, which is 12, and then enter again. So what we have to now is we need to activate the extrude, and then it goes here, select this one here, select also this one, enter, go down. Here will be 10 at this time, will be 10. Okay, now we need to activate again the chamfer, select this edge here. Okay, first one will be 1, second one will be 2, select the top, click here to the top edge, right here on the top, and then also select the bottom one. Just move your mouse like that, select the bottom one, and then give enter. So you have like this shape right now, and again goes to the solid intercept, this one here, right? Select this one and select also this one here, and then give enter. So you have this shape from the top and also from the bottom. Next step, I want also to copy this one here. Before I copy, I can right now I can union this solid one because it has to break the one, then enter. Now I can copy. I will just type copy, select this one here, enter, select in a point, and then move to one side. So it is taking a little bit time. So you click and then copy. Now you can move inside, good, and then enter. So once you have completed these sides, now we need to move this nut to this bolt. For that, just type move, select the objects, type enters, goes to the center, and then find also the center here, right? Just come here and then find the center of this one here. So as you can see, find the center of this bolt here. So once you have found the center, you can see that they are right in the center, which is good. What you have to do now is you need to move. Next step will be move. Just type move again, then select this bolt, type enter, select on the top, must be on the ortho mode to have a straight move like that, and then just click, just there. So now what you have to do is we need as well to subtract. Come here to the subtract, select the one you want to keep, type enter, select this one here, and then type enter. So as you can see, we have complete also the nut, and we have the bolt and the nut. I hope you like, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click like if you like, and comment below if you have any comment, or if you have any suggestion of any drawing I can do here step by step. Thank you, and see you for the next videos.